Thuso Mbedu fired from Generations. The legacy reason will shock you. The producers of the show just could not find the perfect storyline for her character, Okuhle, and hence an amicable decision was made to let her go. There was a lot of excitement surrounding Thuso Mbedu's new role on Generations when producers of the soapie confirmed that she would be the latest talent to come on board as a cast member for Generations. And even though the announcement elicited a lot of harsh reactions from some people, it seemed as though Thuso Mbedu was going to be a long-lasting cast member of the soapie. Unfortunately, that has not been the case. According to Sunday Sun, Thuso's character has been written off from the soapie's storyline as the creatives have deemed the character to have become monotonous and not strong enough for her as an actress who is used to playing characters that challenge her. Things allegedly took a turn when writers didn't know how to take her character further, as the storyline was rumored to have become monotonous. She's used to playing stronger characters and this one was too weak. Read the Sunday Sun article. The Sunday paper also spoke to Generations publicist, Dlathu Makati, who also confirmed that Thuso would be exiting the show and that the soapie and Thuso's agency are in talks to try find out when Thuso would be available again. It was a pleasure having Thuso on set. She brought the character to life and ensured Okuhle really crept into the hearts of viewers in a short space and time, said Dlathu. Well, we guess it's on to greener pastures for the actress.